Hey everybody, this is Vivek Angrish from iDrive Alberta. With spring in the air, nicer weather, and long weekend approaching, we want to remind drivers that many collisions each year on Alberta roads were a result of unsafe passing. The sad thing about this is that these collisions are often fatal and they are very preventable. The good news is that by being proactive, we can avoid these type of collisions. Also, let's keep in mind that it is illegal to speed even when passing. If you must speed to make a pass, then the pass is not safe. Here are some helpful reminders about safer passing practices on the road.
First, scan your path of travel at least 20 to 30 seconds ahead in rural area. Second, mirror check, shoulder check, signal, and shoulder check once more before you change lanes. Third, use the far left lane of multi-lane highway to pass the traffic moving slower than the speed limit. But don't stay there. Drive in the right-hand lane whenever possible. Large vehicles create wind gusts. Keep both hands firmly on the wheel when you pass a large vehicle or when large vehicle is passing you. Fifth, don't speed up when a semi truck or other large vehicle is passing you. Instead, stay to the right and slow down slightly. This will give truck driver room to pass safely and get you out of the trucker's blind spot faster. 6. When passing a large vehicle, don't cut in front too soon because you will reduce the space cushion needed for large vehicle to stop safely.
Once the vehicle you have passed is visible in your rear view mirror, shoulder check to the right and signal to the right and return to their original lane. Well, thank you for watching. Please visit our website or call us for any details on our new driver programs. Have a nice day.